Super excited about today's close at 81 cents, up 19.32% for GTII stock. Taking a look at the macro or the daily chart here, it looks beautiful. Reminds me of the BBVY wedge. One, two, three, and then we want to see this fourth test break out. That's the goal here. The key is volume analysis. Every time we see a significant move to the upside, we want volume pressure or that buying presence to step up. We've seen that. As you can see, the price goes from about 69,000 all the way up to 323,000 as it moves from 50 cents to $1.13. Shorts hammer it down all the way to 55 cents. But again, we see the volume fade. So 80,000, 120, then all the way down to 33,000. So very insignificant volume to the downside. Reversal, we get a huge 1.2 million candle all the way back up to $1.03. Short step back in and do the same exact thing. But look at the volume. It fades 350, 211, down to 80,000 volume. And the same exact thing. It reverses one more time. So now in real time, we're seeing 671,000, which is a lot higher than the 3-month average of around 132,000. So bulls are stepping in here. Retail is super excited about it. They want to keep putting their foot on the gas, applying that pressure. And the short positions, they're going to be feeling it. They paid a lot of money today to hold the price down. 80 cents was that trigger point. They really hit it hard at 83 cents. If you check the level twos today, there was a ton of spoofing, a ton of wash sales. And still the price is up 19% when SPY was getting hammered today. The markets are bleeding. Everything is making lower lows or testing those yearly lows again, and the stock's up 20%. So you could imagine how much pressure it's going to put on the shorts when borrowing money is harder now that they're continuing to raise rates. That lending, is not so fluid anymore. It's really a good situation for us, and the stock, in my opinion, is extremely undervalued. After we saw the 1-800 deal was put together, you're putting a company that goes from zero earnings to 85 million in receivables, and if it's true they take home 70% or more of that after the audits and the paperwork, that'll be zero to over 60 million in cash. It's a no-brainer that a random penny stock like this that nobody cares about, that doesn't trade, that has no institutional ownership. FINRA and the DTCC reported that they blocked the special dividend. They did not want to force settlement because they are aware what's going on behind the scenes. They know that there's a huge discrepancy between the supply and circulation and the supply that has actually been created physically, that is backed and tracked. So we're waiting for some news to come. I don't know who's going to be buying this. There seems like recently it's been an explosion all over social media. People are loving the stock. They're buying the stock. Hopefully some big buyers can come in. Hopefully some institutional buyers can come in and front run this. That would just wipe everybody out. Everything has been going really, really well in the past. The company's very vocal. The insiders are buying. They're updating us consistently when it's the dividend or about the merger or what their plans are moving forward. So I feel very confident in the management team there. And, I think you should too. But again, not financial advice. Please understand what you're investing in. Make sure that you guys watch the videos, do your own research, and really truly understand this play before, ever investing any dollars in it. So, that's pretty much it. Just look out, listen for any updates from the company. What would be amazing is if they could do some sort of buyback, because we know that is the only way you could actually force it, is like if a CEO or if a company buys. We know that the shares actually have to be located, unlike ours, which is probably just IOUs from the broker. But again, that's just speculation. We don't know if that's guaranteed. I said, be on the lookout for any news or any big buyers that come up. I'm watching level twos all day. So enjoy your day, guys. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm super excited. Let me know how you feel in the section below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.